think the face is the best part.
It's a little bit of off camera before you can get around. Hey, buddy, show everybody what you can do. Come on. There we go. Come on, one more.
Come on, up. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it.
There we go. He's a little off balance.
Oh.
There you go.
He's just so dang cute. Look how strong you are.
That's a good boy. Big, strong boy. Alright. Come on, you can do it. Oh. It's like I'm taking a lunch break on my wrist. Come on.
You can hear him grunting. This is his afternoon exercise, which is funny because we're right across from the gym.
Maybe done.
Yeah, I think he is.
Come on, one more. If we do one more. Yeah, feeling the burn. Feeling the burn. Oh, that's it.
All right.